Hello guys, welcome once again to Unubian Guru's YouTube channel, your one-stop, platform where we share and, teach ourselves some basic tips and tricks, Guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can edit your host files on your PC. Very simple method, guys. So without wasting much time, I think we have to get started. So the first thing you have to do is head straight to your host file, because I would not be wasting your time. This is the folder where your host file is. But just in case you don't know how to figure out where the location of this host file on your system, it's very, very simple. All you have to do is this. Open your File Explorer. This is a File Explorer. Go to your PC. Okay, now, I have C drive here, I have D drive here, E drive here rather. Because I have, two operating systems on my phone. So chances are that you're going to have two host files, especially in my own situation where I have two operating systems on my phone, two different installations on my laptop, sorry. So as we all know, I'm currently on, Windows 8.1. So I'm going to head straight to the Windows 8.1 folder or directory. So I'm going to go into the Windows 8.1. I'm going to go straight to Windows. You're going to locate your System 32. So this is System 32. Open it. Then you come down to Drivers. This is Drivers. Then you look for your etc folder. Once you find your etc folder, yalla, you have found your host file. So this is your host file here, right? You may want to edit this file, and the most important reason why most people usually edit this host file is maybe because they are trying to, block software and application on software application on the laptop, or they're trying to, block an application on your laptop, or you're trying to give access to that application. Now, what I simply mean is this: host files contain sensitive, entries that have the capabilities of blocking internet connection from accessing a particular application on your PC. So this is what this host file is all about. So if you have an application on your PC that you don't want internet on that application, or it's either you don't want that application to connect to the internet in order to connect to the source server, or you don't want the source server to send, some kind of messages to communicate with that application on your PC, that is only when, people tend to edit their host files. So don't get it twisted, If you want to edit your host file, I know it could be a bit tricky for those who haven't been doing this for a long time. There is no problem. It's a very, very simple procedure. As soon as you can locate this, etc folder in your PC, and you are on this page where I am exactly, all you're going to want to do is cut Control X, head straight for your desktop, and paste the host file on your desktop. This is your host file, right? Fine. All you want to do right now is go and locate your, notepad on your PC. There are many ways to locate your host file. Notepad is already opened on my PC. I can locate it from here, or I can go afresh and to the desktop homepage, and then I'm going to type Notepad. For those of you who want to use Notepad, of course, if you have Notepad++, you can as well use that. So you want to right click on it and then run as administrator. Yes. Now your host fine. Leave this aside. Click on this file and then open it with your Notepad. Right here, it is open with your Notepad. I want to just do one thing. I'll copy everything inside this host file. I'm going to cut them out, go into the new folder, the new Notepad file. I'm going to paste them in here. If there is any kind of line, like you see, I blocked a lot of software applications here. If there are lines that you tend to add to this host file, in order to edit it or to block a yes. Or if there are lines you have to add to it, just add it here. Come down here and add those lines. Add those lines. After adding it, that's all. You want to do what? One thing more. Go and click save. Now, you have to, do one thing. Before you click on the save, you have to do one thing. Open a new folder. In my own case, I have opened a new folder here, an empty folder. So I want to save that as host. Now I want to hit enter. So I've saved it, right? Oh, the hosts rather. It should be host. S should be there. But all things being equal, I'll locate that file right now. I'll go to my document. I'll come here. Yeah, this is that file. So I want to do one thing. I want to change it to host. S should be there. So now I've saved it, right? Okay, fine. That's aside. Go straight to this, your PC homepage. Come to view. You see these items, these boxes here. Check file name extension. Check this. Now, after checking that, go back to that place. Of course, you can see that initially we have host here, but now it has changed to host.txt, right? All you want to do is right click on it, rename, and now remove this .txt. After removing, you can see the nag is asking you if you change a file name extension, that file may become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Just say yes. Now, once you change it, it has automatically become a host file because right now it is in the format of the host file. So all you want to do is very simple. Copy it. Go back to your etc folder. Yeah. Delete this one here and paste your edited copy. Continue. Yeah. So right now you have a totally brand new host file on your PC. And of course, we already know that this is an edited or modified version of your host file. Very, very pretty simple, easy peasy. Don't get it twisted. Anyway, guys, if you like this tutorial, leave a comment in the section below. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification so that you can get new updates whenever I post a new video. Thank you, guys. Hello.